الحروف العربية من ألف إلى ضاد. Arabic alphabets from ألف to ضاد. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو هاء همزة يا. Let us learn now the sounds of Arabic alphabets. Sounds of alphabets from Alif to Wad. Alif, just like the sound of A in the phrase alift. Ba, just like the sound of B in the word bar. Ta, we couldn't find a similar sound in English, but it is quite similar to the letter T. Tha, just like the sound of TH in the word thank. Tha, thank. Jeen, just like the sound of letter J in the word jeep. Ha, just like the sound of HA in the word hacksaw. Ha, hacksaw. Kha, just like the sound of CH in the Scottish word loch. Kha, loch. Dal, we couldn't find a similar sound in English, but it is quite close to the sound of D. Dal, just as we say the, dal, the. Ra, just like the sound of R in the word raw. Z, just like the sound of Z in the word zeal. Seen, just like the sound of S in the word sample. Seen, sample. Sheen, just like the sound of SH in the word sheep. Sod, just like we pronounce the word saw. Wad, we couldn't find a sound in English, but it is quite close to the sound of Z. Ta, we couldn't find a similar sound in English, but it is quite close to the sound of T. Similarly, Dha, we couldn't find a sound related to Dha in English, but it is quite close to the sound of Dhal. Ain, just like the word Ain is pronounced in the name Einstein. So Ain as Einstein. Ghain, just like the sound is created when we gargle. So Ghain, gargle sound. Fa, just like the sound of F in the word farm. Qaf, just like the sound of Q in the word Quran. Kaf, just like we pronounce the word kaf. Lam, just like the sound of L in the word lamb. Mim, just like the sound of the letter M in the word month. Noon, just like the sound of N in the word nature. Wow, just like the sound of W in the word wonderful. Ha, just like the sound of H in the word hard. Hamza, just like the sound of A in the word apple. Ya, just like the sound of Y in the word yard. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have learned something new, kindly do share it with your family and friends. I will be back with a new video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.